Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up fingerprint and face unlock on the VIVO V70. So, if you want to unlock your phone with just your face or your fingerprint, all we need to do is open up the settings, then scroll down to security and privacy, then scroll down and tap on device unlocking, and here we can set up the fingerprint and the face. So let's set up the fingerprint first. So now if you have a lock set up like normal screen lock, it's going to ask you to enter it. So just enter that screen lock, and here we can add a fingerprint. So just tap on this blue icon, and now we just need to grab our phone like this, and we are going to start just placing our finger and raising it on this section where the this little thumbprint icon is. So just like that, it shows you which parts of the finger it's scanned. So it's a pretty quick setup. Just keep moving your finger like that, and there we go, it's set up. It's that easy. So after that, press OK, and it's going to be saved. So now if we turn off our phone and then place our finger on this circle, as you can see, it unlocks, and a different finger will not work. As you can see, it's not detecting, so no one will be able to get into your phone. So the next thing is the face unlock. So let's tap on that, enter the screen password again, click on add a face, and now all we need to do is just put our face into the circle and kind of twist our head around like this. So let me just set it up really quickly, and there we go. It actually took half a second. It's that quick. So now we're done, we can click OK, and that's pretty much it. So now let's turn off our phone, lock it, and if you look at the screen, there we go, it unlocked automatically. And that is pretty much it for this video. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.